Today is a special day because we are going out of town. We're headed to Hilton Rosehall. Yes, but we're not leaving yet. We're just in the car right now, which thanks to our friends at Hertz, we are able to drive 2 cars down today because it's a load of us. So in our 2 cars alone, it's us in here. Yes, Ozzy. And then Grandma is here, and Alex and Jackson and Wayne, and then we're gonna be joined by Tessie and Brandon, Bill, Zai, Pops is coming, Gigi, Jordy, everybody is coming. So we are ready, and Angie is ready.
I'm telling you, I am.
She missed the last one, and this is our first trip together, don't
yes,
it, Angie?
it
So
is.
it's very exciting. So
yes,
Angie, are you going to be my camera woman? Because
no
when I go
problem.
in, you know, I have to get the shot them other.
Yeah.
Yes, me.
Okay.
Yes, me.
Okay.
All right. Don't have any money for toll. You gonna pay my toll?
Truth be told, I didn't have to be told.
The truth will always be told.
So MTM family, we're ready to pack up a road trip time. As Tammy told you, everybody is going on the journey. Yo, ready? Ready for Hilton Rosehall?
Yeah!
Why are you going with that now? Oh, old people stay so, man. Mommy, where you think you go?
It have some fruits
All inclusive, where going on, mommy?
No, it's on the way. This is just for the trip down.
Look at man. What kind of fruits you have in there?
I have apples, oranges, some
MTM family, I suffer no mother stay too. You carry son go to the beach.
Raisins. No, it's just for the trip.
Then who want the whole of them something there for the one they come mobile trip?
Use in the refrigerator then?
No, it's alright. If
okay.
you gotta bring it, you bring it.
It's very exciting in this
Well, Anna, this door is very open here.
We know.
Okay.
Oh, I really want to take care.
Hello. See, that's why you have to second check the check, you know.
Is the right Bental in this?
Oh, birthday girl.
Perfect.
Birthday girl, you good?
Yeah, I am good. I'm gonna have fun tonight.
Miss
I'm
Angie.
not good, I'm excited.
Watch out, you ready? Ozzy, you ready?
Yes.
At last, everybody knows that you're ready long time. sweet Atlas. You're too bad.
Angie, we'll make it, girl.
Yes, we're here.
Hello, how are you? Hi, Ryan. Nice to meet you. Sorry, don't mind. Is this Christina? Hi, guys.
My director is Damien.
Hi, Damien.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You guys don't mind being on the vlog?
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Wait,
you. Yeah, vlog the vlogger. Oh, go on, everything good?
So excited.
We're excited, man. Can't wait.
Glad to have you. We're on the call.
Alright,
We have
Damien,
a
cool.
lot of stuff.
A lot.
And I said to him, I was like, I'm so glad we didn't have to bring food. But then I was like, oh, we have so much things. Crazy.
Well, you know, the truth is, we don't usually stay the 3 night them, so it's like, we just feel like, pack the whole away.
I'm going to tell you guys a secret. The boys have never been to a hotel.
Really?
We always go to like a villa or something. We have never taken them to a hotel.
Yeah, so
They're
them
gonna
boy
be
go
so
crazy.
excited.
Yes. The water park.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
You won't be able to get them out of it.
Yeah, I can't wait. I really can't wait. You ready? Let's put on your mask. Let's go.
Everybody mask up.
Then you're
Sorry, I was just asking about mask wearing stuff so that we know protocol. And so once we're moving around the hotel.
So what is the
Yeah.
protocol?
And you'll see some signs all about as well.
Yeah.
showing you
What is the
what
protocol? As long as you're on property,
Once you're
walking up and
moving
down.
through the public spaces and so on, then you need to wear the
Okay.
mask.
Common
Makes
areas.
sense.
Just
Common
like,
areas.
just like
Safety first.
everywhere else. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
And practice social distance.
That's good to
You
know.
don't know.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Toodles. I don't know.
Birthday celebration continue. Yeah?
Man, you want to go special? Yes, our special. Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at this view. You want to see? Go look. So pretty. Look at this view.
Oh, that is something.
Wow. You can open the door.
Don't have to hold deep breath anymore. Oh my goodness. Come on in. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this! Oh my god!
May I tell you?
This is a sweet. This is a master sweet.
Oh my god!
Show you Tic Tac.
Wow.
Oh my god!
There you go.
This is crazy! Wayne, this is more than a sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
This is more than a sweet.
Yeah, man, proper.
I had no. This is more than a sweet, guys. This is insane. Please come on in.
I've already opened the other door for you. So
Yes,
let me show you
please.
this one.
Come. Come for the fun. We will keep this. Mosey! Momo, Angie!
This is perfect. This is like fantasy. This is what dreams are made of right now for these kids.
No, it's connected to your room. Okay. So we can watch a movie in here and then we can Alright guys, right off the bat, I am legit overwhelmed with how amazing this space is. And don't it, Mo? I love it. I love the idea of the connecting rooms. I just love it.
Mom,
I love this common area.
can we go to the kids club now?
In a minute. I love it. I love it.
Momo,
Happy birthday to Alex too. Isn't that nice?
That's nice.
That's so nice. Hi, good afternoon. We just sat down to eat a little lunch. So here we are. Everybody's sitting down waiting to get something. Atlas, please don't take it from him. Yes? Yes, I ordered that already for the table.
Okay.
You can take off your mask while we're sitting here.
One put into the table.
What's her face? Oh, she's beautiful.
Tessan and Bill in the building.
By the way, you know a lot of people think that the brother name is actually Bill.
I know. So does he.
A lot of people call it Bill in public.
Grateful, so grateful for family and friends and life and love.
What else? Oh, Tizzy, she's a beautiful instant. Really good.
She was on the TV too.
Tizzy, what did you just pointed almost such a grown? Like you.
Yes, sweet.
Ozzy, come take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Come. Let's take off your shoes.
Say, excuse me.
So yeah, move around, man.
Here, other foot.
Zaibuzi.
Alright, so Wayne is down at the pool and I am going to tuck into some editing. Not very sexy. But there's no place I'd rather be editing right now. Yeah. So let me do that quick.
Pool settings. Boozy there. And MoMo and Angie.
How do you know I can stand and walk?
Gigi, what not do you think so? So we never see that.
You didn't see it earlier?
They're the head of the table and you pay the bill?
More?
More. We'll drop it on the vlog today. A piece right today.
Shoot the thumb. Shoot the thumb.
I'll start with Mr. Chin because you look like you're ready already.
Nobody tries to miss your turn.
Look like you're ready already. Wait, that one. No, wait, hey, oi. No, one, two, aye.
Right, go on.
Aye.
And then you know the other thumb is up. Right, go on.
Aye. Ready now. Come back.
Voilà.
Oi, what's your sense? Who get it? Oi. Wait, take time with yourself. Don't stress yourself.
Hold on, Gigi, your turn.
Easy for you, Gigi. Shoot the tongue.
Don't get the
Wait,
thumb.
wait. What's your two fingers? Oi.
I can do this side, but
We're moving right down the line.
One thumb up and point it at
One thumb up and the next finger point into it. Yes, that's good. Come now, next side. Next side now. Come again. Oi, oi, keep on faster. Oi, yay, oi, oi. Brandon, I say I want to them invalid here. Come. Ready. All right. Oi, oi, oi. Aye. What? Yes. Aye. Talk to you. How much you get out of 10?
All right, I'm going to do the next one. Do this. Do this. Watch out. And then switch. And go so.
Yo, the amount of food we just eat. You feel like MTM family. Feel like the family gone down in a Hilton history as a craveness family. Guinness Book of World, Hilton Book of World Record. And it's driving me insane. And I know I just need one more chance to prove my love to you. You come back to me, 'cause I guarantee that I never let you go. Go back to the days our love was strong. Can you tell me how a perfect love goes wrong? Can somebody tell me how to get things back the way they used to be? Oh God, give me a reason. I'm down on bending knee.
I'll be sure.
I'll never walk away until you come back to me. I'm down on bending knee.
Turn up. Go. Oh, you wait.
Take it to them.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.